Hi there, welcome to Isabel Explains. In this video, I'll show you how to find the volume of a triangular prism. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know that this video is actually part of a series of videos where I explain area, surface area, and volume. So if you want to check out the rest of the series, make sure to check out the video description. Let's go. So on the previous video, we got to see how to calculate the surface area of a triangular prism. Now in this video, we're going to find the volume of the triangular prism. And here is the formula for you if you want to use it. We have that the volume of a triangular prism is just going to be the base, which is this, times the height, which would be this, divided by 2, because we know that this is a triangle, times the width, which is this. Is how thick that is. But remember that my goal here is not for you to memorize the formula, it's for you to understand the formula. So what does this formula mean? If you recall in the rectangular prism video, I made the analogy of the slinky, right? Like if I have a circular slinky, the face of that slinky is going to be a circle. In this case, this is kind of like a triangular slinky where the face of the slinky is a triangle. So I am going to find the surface area of that face, which is what gives the name to the figure, in this case a triangle because it's a triangular prism, and then I'm going to multiply that area times the width of that slinky. So what I would do first is find the area of the triangle. If you notice, is the base times the height divided by 2. And I explain on the video where we find the area of the triangle why that is. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out after this video. So we have 3 meters times 4 meters divided by 2, which is 12 square meters divided by 2, which is just 6 square meters. Now, what we're going to do, now that we found the area of the face, we're going to multiply it by the width of that figure. And the width is going to be the 1 meter. So we multiply the 6 meters squared, or the 6 square meters, times 1 meter, and we get 6 meters cubed. Because remember that you always have to multiply the units as well. Now, if you want to find out how to find the surface area and the volume of a cylinder, stick around and watch the next video. I'll see you there.